Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I am making crunchy chicken cheese bun. Crispy outside, soft inside and filled with juicy chicken and melted cheese. Perfect for snacks, parties or evening cravings. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 110 ml warm water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Yeast dough makes the bun soft and airy. Now add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well and make a soft dough. Stuffed buns are popular street snacks worldwide. Rub some oil and keep aside for 40 minutes. Now prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoon onion, 1 teaspoon green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon cumin. Add 1 cup chicken pieces. Add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, half teaspoon dark soy sauce. Mix well and cook for 5 minutes. Add 3 tablespoon mozzarella cheese and keep aside. Cheese adds a creamy and stretchy texture. Now take the dough, divide into small portions. Take one portion, flatten it. Add mozzarella cheese and cook chicken. Cover well and shape into a bun. Do not overfill to avoid breaking. Beat 1 egg. Dip in beaten egg and coat with breadcrumbs. Crispy coating makes it more delicious. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even cooking. Chicken provides protein and energy. Homemade snacks are more hygienic. You can control oil and ingredients. Balanced spices enhance taste and digestion. Your crispy chicken cheese buns are ready. Serve hot with sauce or dip. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Foods for more tasty snack recipes.